हाय ऑल। वेलकम टू माय लॉगबुक। चलिए अपने पाइथन के सीरीज से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज आवर लाइक इंस्टॉल पाइथन ऑन आवर विंडोज सिस्टम. आई एम currently Windows system, so let's start with that. So for that, first step is our like go to this python.org website and go into this downloads, and you can download anything like installer manager or simple Python with the version. I would recommend to install 3.14, which is the latest version of Python right now. In my case, I already have this Python manager installed. So suppose if I double click it and try to open it, it is giving me option to reinstall. But in your case, first time it will have install Python here. तो यहाँ से आप लोग Python install कर सकते हो in. Okay, so after installing, you need to check the install version of Python. For that, आप लोग command prompt open करो cmd, which in our general terms we say, and यहाँ पे you can give python hyphen version. In my case I have installed 3.14 right now, which is the latest version of Python. For this, you need to set the variable path variable as well, that we usually do in our edit system variables. Go to system variables and check like have you given the Python variable here in the path or not. For that I can go here and see, yeah, Python is given and Python bean is also given. Yeah. Before moving forward, you need to check pip also, like whether it's installed in our system or not. By default it will get installed with the Python manager, Python package manager, or the Python installer which we'll be using. But let's verify that along with this command, pip version. In my case I have installed 25.3. And what is pip? So pip is like package manager for Python. So whichever packages you need to install in going forward, that will be installed or taken care by this pip. So with the Python, like we have multiple versions available. You can go to the downloads list here on python org and see. हमारे पास like 3.15 है and 2.7 है, like all these versions are there. Currently we are using this 3.14, right, which I have installed in my system. You can go, and if you want to download particular version, then you can download from here also, from the download list. So next thing we have is like running scripts. Scripts are like nothing but the Python files which we'll be creating. So for that, let's open a notepad. In notepad we have created one new file, and let's write something like print statement along with some message which we want to print on the command prompt or the display, and save this along with the your name, like file name. So we are going to say like first or first message dot, and dot, after dot you need to give the extension of file, which is like in case of Python you need to give it py. So I'm going to store this under the desktop only for now. Let's save it. Yeah, our file is saved. So in order to run this particular script, the Python file which I have created, we need to go to the desktop where we have saved the file. Let's see where it is. First message.py. Yeah, here is the file. So I will just open cmd here. You can open directly here, or you can open a cmd and go to that particular path where you have stored the file. So I'm going to open from here only. Let's see whether we have that file here or not. Yes, we have first message.py here. Let's try to run this along with the Python. So for that we have one command, that is python, and your file name you have to give. I will give this one. Let's try to run this. Yes, so Python script, we are able to run this Python scripts.